I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you certainly don't want to miss one. Today, we're talking about episode 114, and we're going to be talking about permitted space. If you're in the market, you may hear a home described as having 1,600 square feet with an additional 600 of unpermitted space. Anytime a home has additions created or converted space, it's important to have a building permit and follow the process for inspections. There's a video on this a few weeks back. Inspectors come in and make sure the home meets building codes and everything is done properly. In our local market, we have some very handy folks who sometimes move walls, convert garages, and customize their homes all the time. But if there wasn't a building permit, it's considered non-permitted space, and that square footage cannot count in the overall square footage. If you like these videos, there's more of them on YouTube and Facebook. If you like what you see, be sure to follow me and subscribe. There's also a lot of great content over on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.